It's a bit windy here, but beautiful morning. It'll be Devin Baird taking it. And Baird lines it up, and he scores! Devin Baird on the PK. It's 1-0 Bosque. So Gabe boots it deep, and it's off the keeper and headed in for a goal. 13th minute, I believe that was Baird again. It's 2-0 Bosque. And Chant will take it. In the 36th minute, here's Chant. Goal! Dylan Chant. One official said it was a goal, and that is going to do it. The Bosque Bobcats are the champions. They win their second title as they defeat the Taos Tigers 3-0. So congratulations to Klaus Weber. His team wins its second title.